Shuffle data frame rows. I have the following data frame. The data frame is read from a CSV file. All rows which have type 1 are on top, followed by the rows with type 2, followed by the rows with type 3, etc. I would like to shuffle the order of the data frame's rows so that all types are mixed. A possible result could be how can I achieve this?
The idiomatic way to do this with pandas is to use the .sample method of your data frame to sample all rows without replacement. The frac keyword argument specifies the fraction of rows to return in the random sample, so frac equals 1 means to return all rows, in random order. Note, if you wish to shuffle your data frame in place and reset the index, you could do for example here specifying drop equals true prevents .reset_index from creating a column containing the old index entries. Follow-up note, although it may not look like the above operation is in place, Python/pandas is smart enough not to do another malloc for the shuffled object. That is, even though the reference object has changed, by which I mean IDDF_old, is not the same as IDDF_new, the underlying C object is still the same. To show that this is indeed the case, you could run a simple memory profiler.
You can simply use clone for this.
You can shuffle the rows of a data frame by indexing with a shuffled index. For this, you can e.g. use np.random.permutation, but np.random.choice is also a possibility. If you want to keep the index numbered from 1 to n as in your example, you can simply reset the index, df_shuffled.reset_index drop equals true.
TL, Dr. np.random.shuffle and array can do the job. So, in your case, DataFrame, under the hood, uses NumPy and array as a data holder. You can check from DataFrame source code. So if you use np.random.shuffle, it would shuffle the array along the first axis of a multi-dimensional array. But the index of the DataFrame remains unshuffled. Though, there are some points to consider. Function returns none. In case you want to keep a copy of the original object, you have to do so before you pass to the function. Sklern.utils.shuffle, as user TJ89 suggested, can designate random_state along with another option to control output. You may want that for dev purposes. Sklern.utils.shuffle is faster, but will shuffle the axis info index column of the data frame along with the array it contains. Python benchmarking.
If you want to see more